Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can enable the blue light filter on Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. In order to enable or disable the night filter, we need to go to the settings and then open display, and here we need to scroll down a little bit to find the eye protection section, and over here we have night light, which can be simply enabled and disabled manually by tapping on this slider on the right side. And as you can see, if you turn this on, then the screen turns a little bit orange-ish in order to reduce the blue light. If you tap on night light, then over here you can of course also enable and disable the night light. You can also set up the schedule. You can choose your custom time or choose to enable and disable it from sunset to sunrise. And if you select custom time, then you can choose the start and end time. That's set to none. And if the night light is enabled, then you can also increase the intensity of this filter. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!